Jamushi Travels is back, and today we'll share to you our Hotel Indigo experience at Coventry. We'll start our video by showing to you our commute experience from Voco Oxford to Coventry. So we rode the taxi to the train station, and then from here we rode the train to Coventry. So most of the reservations here in the UK can be done via app. So Jambert did it. So if you want to ask how he did, please comment down below so he can respond to you. For reference, this is what the station and train looks like in this area.
Tapos, sa kabilang platform for
Piccadilly, calling at Banbury, Leamington Spa, Coventry, Birmingham International, Birmingham New Street, Wolverhampton, Stafford, Stoke-on-Trent, Macclesfield, Stockport, and Manchester Piccadilly. This train has 5 coaches. First-class accommodation at Stockport, Stafford,
situated to the train in carriage F, where we do have a selection of fresh sandwiches on board, hot drinks, cold drinks, alcoholic drinks. We also have snacks of crisps, pretzels, mini cheddars, Kit Kat, shortbread biscuits, fruit cake, Twix.
Okay, so we have arrived to Coventry and sakay sa hotel natin, Hotel Indigo. First time natin mag-Hotel Indigo.
oo, tapos ano lang siya paglabas ng train station. Yan na. Tapos napansin ko, ay sorry, dito, dun sa dulo, kasi galing kami Oxford, di ba? Luma yung bahay. Tapos pagdating dito, puro mga bago na, oh. Anyway, so buti hindi umuulan. So, mamaya pakita namin yung loob ng hotel. Bye-bye!
Maganda yung station niya.
Oo, no? Yeah. Yun yung hotel. Okay. Ang cute, ang liit. So, ito daw yung reception. Ikot kami. Kaya. Yeah. Ang floor natin.
Fourth floor. Nag-hesitate siya eh, so...
It's okay. So we asked if we are going to add breakfast, but it seems it's the normal type. So we'll try Marks and Spencer breakfast for us, or convenience store breakfast. But
let's see tomorrow.
right.
Ang ganda ng
Yes, boutique hotel to, no? That's why it's nice. And now 4:21. All right. Okay, go ahead. And it's scary kasi ang dilim. So maya, magkakailaw. But no, it's totally dark. Ano tayo? 421? Alright, it's a maze. I hope it has good view. Wow. Wow.
Parang siyang Holiday Inn na mas upgraded.
Okay, so I'll knock again and tour mo ko ha. Bye.
Hello, welcome to Hotel Indigo Coventry, room 421. So for the room tour, so we have a boutique hotel and
Wow.
biology, smart skincare. Wala lang silang bathtub, pero okay na rin. And walang bidet, of course.
May tabo
Pero
naman
bago
tayo.
itong hotel, I think last year lang.
Okay.
Tapos open closet. Tapos, ayan, kailangan multi-plug adapter din.
Hiram tayo sa baba.
Siguro isa.
Okay.
Yan, pati dito. Maraming plug and maganda.
Wow, lahat yan kasama. Yan ang papasalubong namin. Maganda din
Tsaka
ang
may
mga mug
Nespresso
nila,
pa
oh.
yan. Ay, tsaka may ano.
Ano ba yan?
May
Kasama?
check natin.
Okay.
Oo.
Ano pa?
Diffuser.
At saka may coffee maker.
Oo.
Okay, buhay na nga tayo. And then,
I think complementary.
ganda din ang upuan dun, no? Pwede mong picturean. And the view? Anong view natin? It's the parking view.
Parking lot lang pala.
Pero okay na
Maganda
din.
sa station. And partially.
Okay, so ano sabi mo?
Okay naman. Maganda
Exciting.
siya. 4 points for free hotel. Ganda. So, laki.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Ang
Ayan.
sabi?
Complimentary daw yung minibar. So, aside from, ayan, ito yung maganda sa UK hotels. Libre yung mga biscuit, tea and coffee, pati instant chocolate. And ito, ayan.
Ano yung mga drink?
So, may lager. Ayan. May Sprite.
Wow.
And may spring water ba ito?
Ang galing. At may milk pa, oh.
Sparkling. Ayan, sakto.
Ang galing. At least
So, may
libre.
dalawang beer na libre.
Tama. Kasi wala silang tubig.
Oo.
Yun na yung tubig nila.
Hindi, ano naman yung tubig eh.
Potable. Ang saya naman. So, anong plan natin ngayon?
So, tingin tayo dito sa shopping mall. Ayan.
Okay.
Lapit lang.
Explore tayo and then...
Tsaka dito sa station, kung anong meron.
Okay? Bye-bye. Okay.
Mukhang Burger King.
Mukhang inyong kainan. Alright, kaya tayo sa Burger King. Wow.
Okay, so we ordered the barbecue, ano yun? King box. Bacon barbecue. Yan. Tapos, ano siya? Stuff. So, dalawa. Ayan. Pero yung layo sa picture.
Okay.
And may chili bites. Siyempre may onion rings. And may fries. Tapos, ito naman 399 pounds is ano rin, bacon, ay hindi, ano pala, beef cheesy melt. Yan.
Wow, sarap. Okay, gusto mo tikman? Pareho? Lahat?
Sige, try muna natin. Ito yung King Box. Sarap.
Parang,
Talaga natin din ang burger.
parang ano ba? Kalasa din sa Pilipinas o iba? Kalasa din.
Ang dami lang yung price nila dito.
Sige nga, patikim na nga.
Atong onion ring, siyempre. Sarap. And ito, chili bite. Sarap. Mm.
Yung akin.
Then itong double beefy cheesy melt. Sarap na.
Okay. So, magkano yung total na nagastos mo dito?
Ang 13 pounds. Okay na rin.
Mura na siya dahil?
Savor meals. Tapos unlimited soft drinks. May Sprite. Ano nila? Zero.
Alright.
Yun lang.
Bye-bye! So, dito lang yan malapit sa Coventry Station. Tapos, nandun yung aming hotel. Yan. So, parang mall to, no? Hindi ko na na-videohan yung iba kasi nga, baka may mga loko-loko. So, tingnan nyo lang yung mga malabong Ray-Ban shot.
Wala pa ng ano.
Ano? Bye-bye.
The hotel is conveniently located near the shopping area. There are £1 stores, there is TK Maxx, there's a grocery area. So the options are a lot. So this is a highly recommended place if you will be staying in Coventry. Likewise, it's near the train station. So whenever you need to go out, it's just walking distance.
So hanggang 12 lang ang late check-out. Bigyan naman ng 1 hour. Pero sayang.
Oo. And
Para
ngayon,
sakto lang tayo sana.
oo. And ngayon, mag-breakfast muna tayo. Somewhere here. Dapat cookies lang kami. Pero, sige na nga. Subukan daw namin yung Greg's.
Hi. So we went with the budget option. At Greg's and so they call it white pero wala palang milk. Ewan ko anong difference ng white sa black. Tapos order rin tayo na sausage. Ang daming sausage.
Wow.
Oo, sulit.
Oo nga na. Magkano lang yan?
750 yung dalawa eh.
Oo. Tapos, yung lasa.
Okay lang ba?
Sarap. Sige nga, picture mo nga yung sausage mo habang ini-explain mo. Yan din yung sa akin. Pakita
Konti
mo na
na.
ayos. Pakita mo na ayos. Sige makita. Tapos,
Ang omelette nila, egg scrambled egg.
okay. So, ulit. Alright. So, dito lang to sa Coventry Station. Malapit lang. So, yun lang. Bye-bye.
Okay, so we'll try the ale again here. It's the Cotswold Ale and mga 5% alcohol. Ang sarap ng mga beer nila. Okay.
Ito naman. Ang
Then
Instagrammable.
this one is the Espresso
Martini.
Martini. Ay, ang sarap.
Ang sarap?
Mm.
Wow.
You like
So,
it?
nasan ba tayo ngayon?
Nasa Cogs. Ano siya? Ano ito? Bar and kitchen.
So, ito yung restaurant sa Hotel Indigo.
So, ano siya? Ano rin? Part ng cocktail. Ano yun? May cocktail. Ano sila? Stamp rally. So, parang pupunta ka sa different venues. So, masarap yung ano nila. Highly recommended.
At maganda yung ambience. Oh,
Ganda.
tinad nyo naman.
So,
Anyway, hintayin natin yung food. Bye-bye.
okay, so today we're having lunch at Cogs Bar and Kitchen here at Hotel Indigo Coventry. So, ito is yung isang specialty nila yung burger. Tapos, here is the crispy sweet, crispy beef, and hummus. So, parang ang dami, no? Ito, 16, ano yan, tatay?
Itong
16.
set. Oo.
Set
Yung sayo.
sa akin, 15. Tapos yung drinks, 5 something. Tsaka, magkano doon?
10 yata eh.
10.
Ah.
So, ano to? Ito yung indulgement lunch before we go for work later. See you. Bye-bye.
So, matikman?
Ay, okay. Titikman pala natin. So, yung burger, try natin. Thank you so much. So for the burger, ano ba? Para
Bite
kayo
na.
bite na. So may bacon siya. Tapos may crispy waffle niya.
Wow.
Mm.
Laki.
Mm. Well seasoned naman. Although yung bacon medyo sunog. Pero gusto ko yung ganun.
Okay.
Tignan natin yung crisp nila or fries. And okay naman. Sarap naman.
How about my food?
Tapos ito, hummus. Tikim tayo. Sarap. Sarap. And favorite ni Papa Robert. Yeah. Yep. And itong crispy beef mo, may sauce na yan. Top. Top lahat.
Okay. So, what'd you say?
Highly recommended dito pag nagutom kayo near Coventry Station. Ayun lang. Thanks. Bye-bye.
So that's the end of our Hotel Indigo and Coventry experience. Up next, we'll be going to Warwick University, so do watch out for it. So for now, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.